Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to use AI to create success criteria in ClickUp with an import using just a meeting transcript. Who am I? I'm Jed. I'm the founder of Hydrant. You can find us at hydrant.us. We do ClickUp setup for people along with a host of other things. We're project managers first and foremost, and we're really good at using ClickUp. So our goal is to basically take the meeting transcript and turn it into a functional list in ClickUp. So first what we're going to do, we're going to use Claude. I like Claude right now. And basically what I did is I pasted in the transcript and I said, help me create a list of success criteria from the following meeting transcript that I can then import into ClickUp. So it basically went and created the initial file. And then what I did is I used the how-to guide from ClickUp to help Claude get the import or the CSV correctly. So what I did is ClickUp Help Center is great, has tons of information. I went to this prepare a data file for import here, and I just copied this, and then I pasted it into Claude. And I said, hey, use this how-to guide from ClickUp to modify the CSV export. So then it basically changed it to be correct. And I said, hey, that looks good. Can you create an actual CSV file for me to download? Okay, it couldn't do that, at least not today. I feel like I've gotten CSV files before. If that's a deal breaker for you, you can always use ChatGPT since it will give you CSV files. But it basically gave me the doc. I downloaded it, and then I renamed it .csv, pretty easy. And then I went into ClickUp to actually import it. And so I've already kind of done a little bit of that, but I went to the import tool. I already matched it, and I'm just double checking it. And in fact, if I go back, yeah, let's go back, yep. So just so you can see the beginning, but I basically started here, and then I imported it, and then we went through the whole sequence. So I just put that in, and then it says, hey, does the selected row contain column headers? Yes, that's the first row. Yep. And then it's going to confirm the mapping. So name, task name, yep. Description, description content, yep. Status, status, yep. Priority, priority, yep. That looks great. Pretty simple. I'm going to hit continue. I'm ready to submit. Let's put it in imports. To do, okay, yeah, let's just have it be open. That's fine. Hit complete. And you could, of course, map to specific statuses. So if you put it in a specific folder that had custom statuses and you had all the statuses lined up, you could obviously feed that into Claude and do that. And then I already took care of this, but if you go here, here's my list. So I've got all the different tasks, and if I click into a task, it has a description, and it already sorted through priority. Now what's really important is that you actually review this to make sure it's right. I feel like a mistake that I see a lot with project managers who are really excited about AI is that they don't take the time to appreciate that AI is a tool. And it's kind of like if you're upgrading from an axe to a chainsaw, you're a logger. You don't just go in with the chainsaw. You have the tool, but you still got to make sure, hey, do I have the right tree? Am I in the right forest? Am I felling it the correct way? And so you really want to go through the tasks and make sure, and especially if it's a new client or a new project and the stakes are high, I want to double check the meeting and make sure I really do have the success criteria correct here. So I think that's important. I think there's another note here, which is success criteria may actually look better as a checklist. So those of you who follow my content know that I love checklists. And instead of individual tasks, I might create features. I might organize it by features, or I might just say, hey, this is sprint one, this is the success criteria, and put them in here. So just there's different ways to do it. Obviously, ClickUp doesn't tell you how to do it. It relies on you, the project manager, to think through what is the use case and what's going to be valuable for us in terms of tracking with a team. So hopefully this is helpful. Again, we went from meeting transcript with a product manager, a product owner, all the way to a CSV, and then a actual list of real success criteria or tasks in this case. I feel like it's a little more task oriented here set up status updates, build commission calculation UI. Like those were more tasks, but you could also see them as success criteria. So hopefully that was helpful in terms of helping you manage through an import. Thanks. And again, check us out at hydrant.us. We're always here to help you set up your ClickUp spaces. Thanks. Bye.